Hooray, it's summer vacation!
Our summer vacation's here, hooray! No more school, just time to play. Grab your hat and sunscreen too. There's so much fun for me and you. Now run to the beach, splash in the sea. Build a big castle just for me. Ride your bike and climb a tree. Summer vacation, wild and free. Ice cream treats and lemonade. Picnic lunches in the shade. Jump in the pool, let's cool down. Smile and laugh all around town. Now run to the beach.